just under 1.5 meters. Last time, the iPhone was actually able to survive all 10 bonus rounds, although it was pretty ugly, with chunks of glass literally falling out and the phone losing the major functionality of its rear cameras. The Note 20 Ultra's front glass hasn't even cracked yet, so we'll see if it can maintain its performance here in the bonus round.
In 3, 2, 1.
One bonus drop in, and the Note's glass is still intact. There are no cracks on the front, and everything is still fully functional on the phone, so we'll move on to the next drop.
Drop it.
Another drop, and the same exact result, with no additional damage to report, so we'll keep on going.
Drop. 3, 2, 1.
7 drops in, and still nothing. The front glass hasn't cracked, and what's interesting is the rear glass's initial cracks from the backdrop on concrete hasn't gotten much worse. Normally we see cracks like this begin to spiderweb with all the impact testing, but nothing on the Note.
3, 2, 1.
After all 10 bonus drops, surprisingly, the Note 20 Ultra's glass on the front is still not cracked. The phone is still fully functional, the OLED looks great, the cameras are still good, and that in-display fingerprint scanner is working without a problem. So just an amazing result all the way through. Alright, with all 4 rounds in the books, let's take a look at the scorecard. In the first round, the Note 20 Ultra's damage was nowhere near as bad as the iPhone's. In the second round, the stainless steel in the iPhone gave it the slight edge. In the third, the Note 20 Ultra had the result that you would hope for when dropping your phone, with the glass still fully intact, and it stayed that way all the way throughout the bonus round, making the winner by a huge margin the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Anyways, that is it for me in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the very next episode.